Brittany, it looks fantastic. It really does, especially Sunday itself for Mom. It looks like a perfect day. Right now, some scattered clouds outside. We're not getting total sunshine, but we're seeing quite a few patches of blue as well. And the trees are still moving with the breeze out there, still quite windy and gusty. On the WVTM 13 Live Doppler, we're dry at the current time. That dry air came in just in time to squash the severe threat completely. There are a few scattered showers up in the Tennessee Valley. For the most part, they'll stay up there. I can't rule out a brief light shower getting down into Winston County or Coleman County, maybe Blount County, something like that. The wind has been something all of us have been talking about today. 28-mile-per-hour gusts right now in Birmingham. It's been as high as 41, 26 miles per hour at Pell City, 35 in Gadsden. And during the course of tonight, the wind will diminish somewhat, but it will not go calm by any means. It'll stay pretty active at around 15 to 20 miles per hour with some stronger gusts, and that will last into tomorrow too. We'll take a more thorough look at the Mother's Day weekend and a big temperature change as well coming up in a few minutes. Brittany.
Jerry, thanks. A Birmingham woman injured when a large tree branch broke off at her home. Fire rescue crews, they went out to 36th Street North in the Norwood area and found that branch fell on the woman while she was sitting on her front porch, temporarily trapping her. Crews were able to get her free. She did go to the hospital for some injuries.